This is the Nokia Ovi Store on the Nokia 5800 XpressMusic. So this is the main screen. As you can see, this is my recommended applications, and I can scroll up and down this list. I'm signed in with my Nokia account. So let's check out WorldMate. You just click on an application to check it out. You don't have to select it and then click like you normally do in S65th edition. So this is running over Wi-Fi, so it's reasonably fast. And it tells me that the application is free. It gives me a little icon. I can download it, I can send it to a friend, I can also apply a rating, and here's a nice little description. It's actually really filled out, tells me what the application does, what are the features, how big it is, and then I can also read user reviews down here. So this person says that it's one of the best programs out there, and we can read more reviews simply by pressing the button. And there's in various languages. Just show, obviously, Ovi Store, this one should be probably deleted. You can report it, I guess. So that's very cool. So we can go back, and if we go to the download option, you just click download, and obviously it gives us a progress bar up here. I can then cancel it. I can also send this to a friend, which sends them an SMS with a download link, and since the Ovi Store is available via the web browser as well as through the application, they can open that up without having to install anything on their phone and check out whatever it is that I've just sent them. So that's definitely really cool. So now it's installing. One thing that I have noticed is there's no pop-ups while it's installing. So this is actually, normally when you install an application on S65th edition, there are anywhere from 2 to 5 pop-up messages asking, are you sure you want to do this? This is unsigned, blah blah blah. So it's very nice that they've really streamlined the application installation process. My backlight's there. So I'm very impressed with that. While it's doing that, we can check out the options, and there's not a whole lot of options while you're doing this. In your account, though, you can change the settings, and this includes a default of where it should install applications. Sign out, you can view the privacy policy, the Ovi terms, store terms, obviously get help, and various items like that. So now that it's installed, this button has changed to launch. So I could click that to launch WorldMate on my phone. So there you go. Very few clicks to actually install anything, and there we go. So we're going to go back here. Now let's check out the send to friend. If I wanted to tell my friend I found this cool application on the Nokia Ovi Store and I really wanted to tell them about it, right here you just click there, type in a number, and so we're going to do plus. Now this is actually kind of annoying. This is obviously a number field, but it's defaulted to letters. So what I would have to do is actually use the T9, as if it was, and I'm just going to make up a number. So that's really annoying. I kind of wish that they would mask that text field so that it would know that only numbers are going to be entered. It's also really frustrating to have to add that plus sign. I would like to see them change that so that that's automatically added once I click send. And here's the message that they're going to get. I've shared this application with you. Another thing that I noticed is the 5 messages remaining. That way there's no spam. I can't just send this to everybody I want to. So that's very cool. Once we go back out to the main screen, up top here you can see this is kind of a carousel, and this shows you different categories. There's applications, there's games, and you'll notice that the content automatically changes when I switch to these. We've got audio and video, so I can download videos or soundtracks. And personalization, this is going to be wallpapers, themes, ringtones, that sort of thing. You'll notice a lot of these are free. There are some pay. This one is US $2.99. My stuff, this keeps track of all the things that I've downloaded. So you can see that I've downloaded and installed WorldMate, and that I've also downloaded and installed that. If I click on one of these, it allows me to download it again really easily. So that's really handy if I need to find out what it was that I've installed previously. And then we're back to recommended. You can also press options down here, and you can see suggested applications for me. This is going to be more useful as you use the store, as it's going to keep track of the types of applications and things that you download, and it's going to suggest things that are similar or that your friends are downloading as well. We've also got most popular, most recent. You can choose to only show free content or only show paid, and then you can also obviously switch back to show all. So that's kind of a quick walkthrough of the Ovi Store launched by Nokia today.